Jake Harris wasn't supposed to survive. A seasoned solo sailor with 20 years of ocean experience. He vanished off the map in shark-infested waters after a violent storm tore his yacht apart. For 11 days, no one knew where he was until a shocking twist involving a dead whale, a swarm of sharks, and a passing research drone turned his desperate fight for survival into one of the most unbelievable rescues ever recorded. It began as a solo voyage meant to last 10 days of routine sail from the Whitsundays to Brisbane for 42-year-old Jake Harris, an experienced Australian sailor known for his calm nature and love of isolation. The sea was his sanctuary, but on the sixth night, everything changed. A rogue storm, unpredicted and violent, tripped across the Coral Sea, snapping the mast of his 30-foot yacht and flooding its electrical systems. With no working radio, no GPS, and a shredded sail, Jake was adrift in open water, over 200 kilometers from the nearest coastline. As the current dragged the wreck eastward, Jake rationed what little he had: half a bottle of water, 3 protein bars, and a life raft that hadn't been checked in over a year. By day 3, he was sunburned and severely dehydrated. That's when the first shark appeared. Then another. Within hours, a circling frenzy formed around his raft. He hadn't noticed the gash on his thigh inflicted during the initial storm. The scent of blood had traveled faster than any call for help could. But Jake was no ordinary sailor. He crafted a crude water collector using parts of the ruined sail and fashioned a fishing hook from his belt buckle. Still, the sharks kept coming to him as long as his raft. Then, on the 9th day, just as hope faded, a massive shape collided with his raft from below. At first, he thought it was a shark, but it was a dead whale, its carcass attracting dozens more predators. As they fed, Jake drifted unnoticed through the chaos. The twist came on day 11. A small research drone hovered overhead, sent out by a marine biology vessel, tracking the whale. Jake had unknowingly floated into a monitored migration path. Within hours, a rescue team arrived, stunned to find a man alive, sunburnt, starved, and surrounded by feeding sharks. Doctors called it a miracle. Jake never spoke much about the 11 days afterward, except to say the ocean has a way of revealing who you really are.